Welcome to Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, Ghaziabad, where tradition meets innovation on a sprawling 5-acre campus. Established in 2004, the school's cutting-edge infrastructure supports a holistic curriculum, integrating technology and post-scholastic activities to develop global citizens. We balance academic rigor with 21st century skills, ensuring personalized, child-centric learning that nurtures each student's potential. Our commitment to community outreach and socio-emotional development fosters empathy and resilience. To provide global exposure, we have introduced the Cambridge and IEYC curriculums, ensuring our students are equipped with international perspective. Our extensive sports infrastructure, including AstroTurf and modern facilities, promote physical fitness and excellence in sports. We proudly celebrate our national toppers, whose achievements exemplify our commitment to academic excellence. Leadership skills are honed through our student councils and a strong alumni network, ensuring a supportive community. Sustainability and parental involvement are key pillars, ensuring a collaborative and environmentally conscious educational journey. Blending age-old traditions with new-age practices, we at Jaipuria are nurturing future leaders with a vision of excellence and innovation. Empower, enthuse, excel.